Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see how we can write order by function in LINQ queries for UiPath. So this is the Excel file. We are having some records, and what I want to sort it with the help of order by function. So first of all I will read this using read range activity, and then we'll apply LINQ query. And now I'm creating one data table variable dt_data, which will be having all the record, and here I will be writing an assign activity and getting the sorted data. So first of all we need to have two brackets to write LINQ queries, and then create a variable called row. Then now we have to write order by and the column name, and which way we want to do, ascending or descending order, we have to write it. So here we want to write it in ascending order, and then we have to select the row and copy to data table. So whatever data will come will be copied to the data table. And now I will be creating one extra sheet naming ascending, and writing it we can open and see if it is sorted. Yes, so it is sorted now. We can also use descending to see whether it do the sorting in reverse order. This way we can sort it in reverse order. So thank you so much. If you have any question, you can write it down and share the video. Thank you.